Tall, short, funny, kind, curly hair, blue eyes. Can you describe a person in English? Today you will learn the vocabulary to describe anyone. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Describing people is one of the most useful skills in English. You use it when meeting new people, telling stories, or finding someone in a crowd. Let's learn the key words. Section 1. Physical appearance. Let's start with height and build. He is tall. She is short. He is medium height. She is slim. He is heavy set. She is athletic. Now hair. This is very important. She has long, straight hair. He has short, curly hair. She has dark hair. He has blonde hair. She has red hair. He is bald. That means no hair. Now eyes. She has blue eyes. She has green eyes. Age. He looks young. She looks middle-aged. He is elderly. Practice. Describe yourself. Use height, hair, and eyes. For example, I am tall. I have short, dark hair and brown eyes. Your turn. Section 2. Facial features and style. Let's go more specific. He has a beard. She has freckles. He wears glasses. She has a round face. He has a square jaw. She always smiles. He looks serious. Now style, what someone wears. She usually wears casual clothes. He always wears a suit. She loves bright colors. He prefers simple dark clothes. Practice. Think of someone you know. Describe their style. Say one sentence about what they usually wear. Section 3. Personality and character. Appearance is just the outside. Character is who someone really is. Here are the most useful personality words. She is kind. She helps others. He is funny. He makes people laugh. She is shy. She feels nervous with new people. He is confident. He believes in himself. She is hardworking. She never gives up. He is patient. He waits without getting angry. She is creative. She has great ideas. He is honest. He always tells the truth. When you describe someone, combine appearance and character. My friend is tall with curly hair. She is kind and very funny. That sounds natural. That sounds like real English. Recap. Physical appearance, tall, short, slim, dark hair, blue eyes. Facial features and style, beard, glasses, casual, suit. Personality. Kind, funny, shy, confident, hardworking, honest. These words help you describe anyone in English. Now your challenge. Describe someone you love in the comments. Use at least one physical word and one personality word. I want to read your descriptions. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.